lads, let's get it done.
On the roof, I guess? Well, I'm down to the audio in this game.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Puff adder. Okay. Yeah, hello. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. Mm-hmm. Wow. He hid in a hid in the fucking corner.
Time to earn your freedom. You're going back to the front line. You've earned it.
Well, he knows where I am now. Wow, that thing just kind of goes from silent to incredibly loud. That's unbelievable.
Loadout drop headed your way.
What was that?
Gas is closing. Get to the new safe zone.
Huh. I just heard something, but... Fuck if I knew what it was. I'm running out of ammo doing this shit. Okay, there's something in here at least. Ooh, okay. Okay. God, the sounds in this game, man, I'm telling you.
Gas is closing in.
It's like, is he still up there, or did he finally take the hint and move along? I mean, he's
This way, moving.
just inside the circle, I think. Ah. That sucks. I mean, the fact that somebody can run right there and me never hear him is kind of crazy. What's up, bro? Poke your head out. think that's what I heard was glass breaking. Maybe I didn't. Maybe he was still there.
You've got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated.
See, now this is the stuff that gets me screwed up, is because people can move at speeds and in ways that I am not I'm not comfortable with. Can I interact with this thing? Can I get up there even? Can I even get up there? God, man. Circle actually really ain't that far.
Gas is moving.
Was that my friend from back there? I don't know. Hard to say. I think this is where I landed. Totally is. We're back. I heard the little thing. Is that a buy station? No, it's
Target is up. Let's get it done.
okay. Ooh. That might be fun. Probably should have taken that other guy's rifle, right? Because that probably had a scope on it. What happens if the gas kills my bounty? I mean, I should get that, right? That seems fair. How is that not a hit, man? That guy has a self-revive.
Got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated.
Okay.
Man, he's running wide. I know he's over there. Where? I don't want to let him get away. Oh, whoa, 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 he's taking fire. Dude.
Gas is moving.
Man, I can't help but feel like if I had a better scope, I'd be cooking. Nah! Fuck it. Damn. Oh, shit. I'm in it. In some shit. So, I don't know if this is just because of the circle positioning or what, but I'm not having a great deal of issue running from the gas. Seems to be pretty slow. Man, I wish I had a better scope. Not that I'm like a great sniper on this game. I can't really seem to figure out the wow, the lead or the lack thereof. That dude was just chilling in there the whole fucking time, man.